Good evening, sir. You can start
Good
now,
evening.
sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Good evening, my dear students. You all are warm welcome to the another biological session of the NEET classes. In this session, we are going to discuss about the remaining part of the questions. Okay, it started from the 21st. Okay, see read the statement carefully. Read the statement carefully. Okay, media. Here, see that statement Y. A high standing crop of phytoplankton, high standing of the high crop of phytoplankton support a large stand crop of zooplankton. Okay, what is the meaning of this one? High standing crop. For example, take an example, any one of the bond system, what happened now? Phytoplankton is in the, where is the phytoplankton? It will be mostly present in the center. It may be free swimming in nature, free swimming, isn't it? Free swimming. Support a large standing crop of the zooplankton. Okay, zooplankton. Okay, media. So this is the correct one, because you know about the phytoplanktons are mostly present in where, you know, the middle of the things. Okay, or well, or okay, well, or bond, whatever it may be, like that. But zooplankton, they are all free swimming, same as it is, but they are supporting for which one? A large standing crop of a plant, zooplankton. Zooplankton is nothing but the animals, isn't it, my dear? Animals. Phytoplankton is nothing but the plant. So the phytoplankton used as a prey for the zooplankton predator. So it is also interrelated. It is a correct way. So this one is the correct answer. Okay. The phytoplankton have a shorter lifespan and high reproductive rate. No, it has a, what is a shorter lifespan and high reproductivity. It is the opposite manner, is that this is not a correct answer. Okay, is it correct or not? What is a statement here? Read the statement carefully. It's okay, the B is the correct one. Okay, and both A and B are correct. So this one is the correct one, this one is the wrong one. Okay, my dear, sorry. So this is the correct option, my dear. B only the correct answer. Other things are, what is that? Wrong answer. See, the high standing crop phytoplankton support a large standing of, no, it is a reverse manner. I told you yesterday, last classes. Okay, phytoplankton is a, what is that? Short. Okay, short. The zooplankton is the large one. Okay, it's a reverse manner. But here the short lives and also high reproductive rate for phytoplankton. Then only the zooplankton will survive. So this one is the correct answer. So remaining these three are wrong answer. Okay, go to the next one. See, only the B is the correct answer. See that this one is also already we discussed. The maximum species diversity is found in tropical region. Okay, it's a correct answer. Already we discussed this part also. Because tropical region means, you know, about different area, different plant is there, different plant, grasses and also shrubs, curves, trees, long trees, and also high tropical region. Each one it has so many animals, so many living organisms. Okay, so the tropical region has a maximum species diversity. Yes, it is a true. Tropical region had more evolutionary time and relatively both are same only. See that it is related one. Tropical region and had more evolutionary time and relative constant environment. Okay, media. This is also a correct one. See this. This is the atmosphere like that. It is a tropical region. Okay. Here, what are the temperature is maintained? What are the environment is maintained? Isn't it made? It is nothing but the more evolutionary time and relative constant environment is also maintained in this area. Like inside also, inside the forest also, inside the tropical trees also, there is a constant temperature. Isn't it, my dear? So both the reasons are correct and assessment is also correct answer. So the option is A is the correct one. Remaining things are wrong statement. Go to the next one. Okay, my dear. How many statements are correct? Here, they ask the question. How many statements are correct? Okay. See that biomagnification is natural aging of a lac by nutrient enrichment of its water. Okay. This one is the wrong statement. Biomagnification. So just listen carefully. This is not a correct answer. They are asking the keyword, which one in a correct statement. How many also asked. Okay. This one is not a correct answer. Okay. Second one is what is that? The after CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, methane is major causes greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect, which one is CO2 is a greenhouse effect, isn't it? So this one is also a wrong answer. Okay. And third one is ozone is a secondary pollutant in troposphere. Troposphere. Okay, OT. Yes. Stratosphere, troposphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, exosphere. Okay. This is a format. So many times they were asked the questions before in this 50 kilometers, which one stratosphere is the first layer, then troposphere, mesosphere is the middle, ionosphere, and exosphere. Here the ozone mostly present the troposphere layer. So this one is the correct one. Already we discussed this part also. Thickness of the ozone is measured by Dobson unit. Note it down, my dear student. This is also a very, very important. Maximum, the ozone layer is also measured by the unit is called as Dobson unit. Okay. This is also a correct one. So the answer is which one, So A and B is not coming. This is the correct answer. These two are correct only. So the C and D is the correct one. So the option is C is the correct one. Third one is the correct one. Okay. See go to the next one. Ozone is a secondary pollutant in troposphere. Thickness is ozone is measured in the Dobson unit. Both are correct only. C and D only the correct answer. Others are wrong one. Okay. So which one of the following substitute for open burning dump for solid waste? Okay, this part, which one is the correct answer? Sanitary landfill is the correct answer. These are all a direct question, my dear students. These are all a direct question. Okay, direct question, statement type of question like that. Substitute for open burning dump for solid waste. Muffling scheme is not scrubber, all of the above. So these things, it will not come in. This answer automatically, it will be eliminated in the answer sheets. So this is the correct answer. Sanitary landfill is the correct answer. Okay, go to the next one. So which adaptation of the parasite help to sustain their life in coast body? Adaptation. What are the adaptation present in the, what is that? So parasite, just to imagine. Okay. See the loss of unnecessary sense organ. Yes, a parasite particularly sustain their life coast body because what is that? Loss of unnecessary sense organ is the correct one. Presence of adhesive organ sucker cling to the coast. This is also correct one. Already told you it is an examples of tapeworm. Sorry. Yes, tapeworm. Okay. So the head is look like this one. Head is look like this one. Okay. It contains hooks. Okay. And also having the sucker agent. Okay. Just like this. See how is it the like structure will be like this. This one is called a sucker agent. Followed by which one there is a part like this. Okay. This part is head. Okay. This part is what is that? Head. This part. Collectively called as with the sucker and hooks. This one is hooks. Sucker agents. Okay. SUCKER. Sucker agent. Okay. Okay. So the collectively the head part is called as scolex. Okay. So many times they were asked in this part. There is a part, sucker and clink the coast. And loss of digestive system, yes, it does not have the digestive system. That's why it is depends upon their coast. Okay, for their food. That is very, very important. So third one is also correct one. But low reproductive capacity is the long one. It has a high reproductive capacity. So the answer is which one, the third one is the correct options. A, B, C is the correct one. The last one is the wrong answer. Just read the question paper. It's very, very important, my dear students. What are the next questions? See that one, A, B, C. The loss of unnecessary sense organ, presence of adversive organ, and sucker to clink on the coast, loss of digestive system. Okay, made. These are the characteristics of which is one parasite of clicking one. Okay, made. And then go to the next one is called as 26, plant, insect, and a pea, and snake, and havoc. What is it? Okay, my dear. So plant insect comes, So what is that? This one, plant insects. Plant, insect, and also pea is denoted as which one? Snake, which one they eat? Cobra, it will come? No. Okay. See the options. This is, sorry, cobra, it will not come. Fox, it will not come. See the insect, it will not eat the fox. Lion, it will not come. Okay. So which one is the correct answer? Frog. In this space, you have to replace the frog. Okay. So the option is correct. Plant is a producer. Plant is a producer. Producer eaten by which one? Insect is a primary consumer, and also insects eaten by frog. Frog eaten by snake. Snake eaten by havoc. So which one is the correct answer? Frog is the correct option of this place. Okay. Note it down. This is also comes under it is grassland ecosystem. Grassland. Sometimes they may ask the question, which one of the following ecosystem and above mentioned? What is that? Concept like that. Grassland ecosystem. And what about that forest ecosystem? So many things is that, but they are all comes under the food chain. Okay, frog. What is the next one? This is very, very important. Already you studied so many times. Consider the three organisms A, B, C. Okay. So what is the correct option of this one? Correct option of this one. So this is the option. Okay. This one is the option, my dear. Okay. This is the first option. Otherwise called as A. This one is B. This one is C. This one is D, like that. Okay. Here there is a what is that? Three organisms. They are, what are the tabulation given here? External level. External, all are having the external. The X, zero, this is called as 0. This is called as X-axis. This is also Y-axis. X-axis denoted as the external level, and also Y-axis is the internal level. How they are maintaining the, which one? Homeostasis. What is the man? Body temperature. Okay, already you know very well, but C or P. What is that? C means consumer, reproducer, the primary consumer, isn't it? Which one is the correct option? Okay, see the option B. All are having the B only. Which one? These three. So the C is that maintain homeostasis to a certain level. It will not come into the B option. Okay, these three only there. So which one is that? Cannot maintain the homeostasis, that is called as B. Okay. Okay, my dear. And what about the A? Maintaining a homeostasis. Okay. This one is called as, what is that? Reproducer, A. See here also A. Here also A, it will not come. Okay. This one is also wrong. So option is, answer is these two only. Okay. Answer is these two only. So B, and then this one is called as, what is that? A is here. What is that? Maintain homeostasis. Maintain homeostasis is at the constant, isn't it? Constant level. There is no increase, there is no decrease. Okay. Consumer, reproducer, and primary producers, like that. See that. Okay. C or P. So third one is maintain homeostasis to certain level only. This is called as partial consumer, isn't it? Partial consumer. So partial reproducer. Partial means already 50%. It maybe go on the along with the B, and also what happened? It will be tan. Okay. So parallel to the A. So the option is which one is the correct answer? No, the fourth one is the correct answer. This is complicated. At the same time, about that it's also practice how many times you will get the answer. Okay. This is the correct answer, my dear students. So the option is which one? A is considered as maintain homeostasis. A is maintaining homeostasis, constant level. B cannot maintain homeostasis. B is cannot maintain homeostasis. This is called as cons. Okay. C or reproducer, partially reproducer. Okay. And then last one is called as maintain homeostasis to certain level only. Up to this level only they can maintain the which one temperature. Again, what happened? It will be normal. Again, constant. This is called as partial constant. The answer is which one? The fourth one is the correct answer, my dear. See the option? The fourth one is the correct answer. Okay. So that is very, very important. Go to the next one. Statement 1. Statement 1. In most of the insects, mechanism of sex determination is of exotype. Okay. Once again, repeat for you. This is so many times they asked in this part, my dear students. The NEET question they may expect in this year. NEET 2023. Because already in human being, males are X and Y, isn't it, my dear? Sorry, this one is not X and Y, isn't it? Female XX. Okay. Likewise, all the animals, it will not indicate like this, male as well as a female. This was considered as a male, this one is called as female, isn't it, my dear? Likewise, here they told insects. Mechanism of sex determination is of the exotype. Okay, this is the correct one. Second one, see the statement 2. The in bats, female heterogametic it presented. What is the meaning by heterogametic? Same is there. X0 is a heterogamete. XX is the homogamete. See, they both are same. Here, different. Okay. In our category, male is a heterozygous and female is a homozygous, isn't it? So the both the statement are what is that correct one. So the first answer is the correct one. This is also a what is that direct question. Okay, and also CT question, critical thinking questions, my dear students. Not only critical. Why they are asking the critical heterogametes? Means mostly present the female gamete only, isn't it? Some of the category, for example, male, it contain heterogamous in human being. Other categories, just take an examples of the insects, not only the insects, and also grasshopper and pigeon. You must practice it, this part. Okay. See, both the statements are true. The first answer is the correct one, and remaining are wrong. This is very, very important, my dear students. But definitely it will come, my dear. But slightly change. How it will be there. Listen here. Which of the following class gives 9:3:3:1? Just note it down. This one is mostly comes under the which characteristics? Dihybrid. Phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic, physical appearances. Physical appearances. Okay. See here. Capital A, capital E, capital B, small b, capital A, small a, capital B, capital B. It is not a digarbid. Digarbid, how it will be there now? Capital A, capital B into small a, small b, small b, like that. It will be there. Okay. See that next one. Capital A, capital A. Capital B, capital B, capital B, capital B. Capital C, small c, small c. Capital D, capital D, capital D, capital D. Capital E, capital E, capital E, capital E. What is the meaning of this one? Here the pair of set is common is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 set of allele is there. Both are equal. Okay. So the option is the second one is the correct answer, my dear student. Others it will not come because it is not a related one. Okay. And the last one is also just to see it, it will not come. Okay. So these are all are wrong options. So this one is the correct answers. When you cross these two, you will get it 9:3:3:1 phenotypic ratio. It is also similar to the dihybrid ratio. Okay, media. These are all are, see this. This is the correct option. Next one is the position of the gene chromosome was mapped. Simply they are a chromosome map. Simply. Okay. Okay, media. Simply chromosome map was first constructed by the name of the scientist. That's like that the question. This is the direct question. They thought which one, critical. Okay, critical. So the direct question only. This one is also a direct question. Okay, media. See the Muller. Okay, see that, note it down. Mr. Muller, protein nature, protein. Three bits, who is that? Batson and Burnett. You know about this checkerboard. Okay. What about Alfred Stratuvant? Is the chromosome? It's a direct question. Right? Direct question. Okay, my dear. Go to the next one. C bridge. Sorry. C bridge is the correct one, my dear student. Sorry, extremely sorry, my dear. No. I wrongly marked here. B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. It's not the C. Okay. Go to the next one. This is the wrong answer. This is the wrong answer. Okay, my dear. Go to the next. Match the column with 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Adapter RNA. Maximum adapter RNA, it will be look like a, which one you know? mRNA. Okay. Adapter RNA is also called as which one now? mRNA. Note it down, my dear student. Take a notes, my dear. Simply. Adapter RNA. Just put a hyphen and also you make it as a mRNA is a correct option. So this is the right answer. So where is that? A, B. Where is that? A is B or A is D? Adapter RNA. Once again, repeat for you. This is, you have to check the answer. This is not a correct. Once again, adapter RNA. What is the meaning of adapter RNA? Note it down, my dear student. Adapter RNA is compared with the tRNA. Transfer RNA is also called as adapter RNA. Okay. And then second one is called as catalytic RNA. Catalytic RNA is nothing but the rRNA. RNA help in splicing. RNA help in splicing. snRNA. Template RNA for the protein bias. This is already known, but this is called as mRNA. The option is one is called as D. Where is the one is D? So here and here one D. Catalytic RNA, which one is it's act as a catalytic RNA already, you know about C or RNA, ribosomal RNA act as a catalytic RNA. Where is it here? Same. D and C is the both are same. Okay, option is these two only. Okay. And what about the third one? Third one is they have given us a. Which one is the RNA help in splicing of snRNA? Listen here, my dear. snRNA. So the A is the correct option. So the option is already in our, but the A, third A. Fourth one is already in our B. Here the change is the confusion is the last two only. Okay, the option is the A is the correct answer. Go to the third one, second one, 32. This is also one of the match the following. Already you know about this one is called as. Okay, already you know about. Say the option. Double monosomy. What is my monosomy? What is my tetrasomy? What is my trisomy? What is my nullisomy? That things also already you listen. Already you studied that things in polyploidy. Polyploidy. Which part? Polyploidy. Okay, major polyploidy. Double monosomic. Where is the double monosomic? For example, 2n is called as diploid nature, isn't it? Diploid. Monosomic means single chromosome only. Double monosomic means what is the data voltage? -1, -1. So the option is A is which one you know? Second one is the option. A is second one. See that A is second one, here only that. So the automatically that comes the answer. Nullisome means 2n minus 2. 2n minus 2. Nullisome means 0 like that it comes. Nulli means nil. See this one? Nullisome is called as 2n minus 2. Okay, the option is this one. Double trisomic. Double trisomic. Where is it? Double trisomic. Third one. See that? C option. Which one you know? 1. See here. This one is called double trisomic because this is also considered a double trisomic. Again, it will also added to that. This one is also trisomic. The last one, tetrasomic 2n plus 2 is the tetrasomic. Tetra means addition of chromosome. 2n plus 2, tetra, 4. So the option is the first one is the correct option. First one is the, okay. So this is the correct one. Others are wrong. Okay, go to the next one. If we need protein protection from mosquitoes, then we can use here what they will biocontrol agent, my dear student. The portion is biocontrol agent. Biocontrol. Okay, control agent. Which one act as a biocontrol agent? Ladybird beetle, also diarrhea, bacillus thuringiensis, both 1 and 2, all are okay. Comes under heading is known as what is that? Biocontrol agent. But here asking the specificity. Which one? Mosquitoes. Normally we know about during the raining season what happened, there are so many dragonflies are flying, isn't it? Due to the presence of which one? Mosquitoes only. Mosquito is the very, very important. Bacillus thuringiensis means you just note it on PT cotton. Ladybird beetles. Okay, it will not like this. Mosquito only eaten by dragonflies only. So the answer is B is the correct answer. These are all are wrong. Okay. Okay. Go to the next one. Dragonflies. Okay. Correctly match the column 1 with the column 2. Trichoderma species, Rhizobium, Cyclosporin, Streptococcus. These are all are very, very important, my dear. Don't forget this question will be there in the 2023. Don't forget this question. Definitely it will come 100 and 120% NEET. See the Trichoderma species. Trichoderma polysporium. Derma. Is it correct? Is it correct? No. Don't consider like this. Rhizobium, cyclosporin A, streptokinase is an enzyme. Okay. Have to match it properly. That is very, very important, my dear students. See, the Trichoderma species is also used for the biocontrol agent, is the first one. Rhizobium, already you know, it is used as a biofertilizer for the symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Symbiotic nitrogen. A cyclosporin, just to imagine, cyclosporin is very, very important. It is also isolated from the, which one Trichoderma polysporum. Streptokinase is the enzyme used for the which one clad buster. So the option which one is 1 is 3. Where is the 1 is 3? Here. 2 is which one 2 is 1. Where is the 2 is 1? Here only. B is the answer is 1. So the option is the last one is the correct answer. Definitely it will come, my dear students. Don't forget, study once again and again. You practice it. You are having only 10 days only for the exam. Okay, go to the next one. See this one. The Trichoderma species is the biocontrol agent. Rhizobium is a biofertilizer. Cyclosporin, Trichoderma polysporum, and the streptokinase is a glad buster. Okay, my dear, don't forget. Somatic hybrid are produced by, don't forget, what is my somatic? It is nothing but the body cell. Okay, produced by, which one fusion of 2 germ cell? No. Okay, 2 germs means it is considered as a male as well as a female. Like that, it will get somatic hybrids. No. Fusion of 2 complete somatic plant cell? No. Suppose 2 somatic cells united together, you will get the new one? No, it is not also possible. Next one. Fusion of isolated naked protoplast. Okay. Okay. So this is the correct option. Just see the question. Somatic hybrid is nothing but the, which one a fusion of 2, what is that? Isolate naked protoplast. Take an example. This is considered as a plant, B plant. Okay, it has a small leaf-like structure and also it has a small leaf-like structures. Here the cell is also isolated. Here also the cell is isolated. From this 2, you have to isolate the protoplast. This is considered here. Okay, my dear. Okay. This one is considered here. B protoplast. This one is called as A protoplast. These two only united with the help of the compound is called as page. Page, like that they told. PEG, page. Polyethylene glycol. It is nothing but the fusing agent. Fusing. Okay. Okay, my dear. So this is the correct option. This is called a somatic hybrid. Somatic hybrid. Fission of two hybrid protoplasm with cell wall. Without cell wall is called as protoplasm. Already we discussed. Suppose we are taking this one, this is not a cell wall. This is only the protoplasm. Okay, both are protoplasm. With the cell wall means it is not a protoplasm, as they told. So this is also a wrong answer. This is also a wrong answer. This one. So somatic hybridization is nothing but the fission of isolated naked protoplasm is the correct one. Okay, my dear. Don't forget. So fission of which one naked protoplasm is the correct one, my dear. Don't forget, my dear students. So many times they ask the question, this part. NEET. Go to the next one. Diplomatic life cycle can be seen in the life cycle of. This is also known answer. Known answer. Already known means you can easily answer it in this part. Vulva, polysiphonia, adiatum, pinus. Diplomatic means 2 end stage, isn't it? Examples of pinus. Examples of pinus. Other 3s are it will not come. This is the direct question. You can see the life cycles. Sometimes it is started from 2 end stage. There are 2 types of stages there. One is called as gametophyte stage. Another one is called as sporophytic stage is that. Isn't it? Which one is the longest phase? Maximum like that it will come. Isn't it? Diplomatic, haploidic, diplo or haploidic, diplomatic or diplomatic, haploidic, whatever it may be. You can. Diplomatic, haploidic is the correct one. Diplomatic and haploidic. Both it will come. Okay. So here, which one is the correct answer? So diplomatic life cycles, it's mostly found in which one? Pinus. Remaining, it is not a correct answer. Go to the next one. Pinus is the correct answer. Which one of the following matches is correct? This is also very, very important. Listen here, my dear student. This is also very, very important, my dear. Laminarian starts. Laminarian starts. Dichotica. Okay. Dichota. Volvox, sargassum. Okay. Which one is correctly matched, my dear students? Listen here. Laminaria. Here, store food, florian starts. Laminaria, laminarian starts. So the answer is here only. Isn't it? Isn't it? So this one is wrong. This one is wrong. Okay. And flagella is absent. No. See the dichotia, store food, mannitol and laminarian start. Is this a correct one? So here the corrector only asked. 2 unequal lateral flagella is present. Yes, it is also a correct one. So the option is second is the correct answer. They asked them. Third one, Volvox, store food in the form of starch. No, it is not like that. 2 to 8 unequal lateral flagella. Volvox, just to see the structure, it will be giving 2 flagella only, isn't it? 2 flagella like this. Okay. This is chlamydomonas. Okay. The structure is also similar, but it's also in the form of colony forming. Colony forming. See the structure like this, but also very small one. Okay, interlinked like this. Okay. Okay, my dear. So sargassum, already you know, but sargassum is also very, very important. It's also used as a, what is that? Beet, fuel. Okay, coal also, COAL. Coal also prepared by this one, sargassum. How it will be, in the ancient age, natural disaster occur as a result, what comes sargassum, other, what is that? Fence or buried under the soil as a result of the formation of physiological changes. Finally, they will get it, which one, beet. Okay, that is called as coal, used for the fuel purpose. Okay. So the answer is which one, as second is the correct answer, remaining or wrong answer only. Dicotta, stored food, mannitol and laminaria, and 2 unequal large flagella. Lateral flagella is also present in this part. If you know the structure, then only you can answer it. And also, you know the general characteristics of dicotta, then only it will be better for your understanding. Next, how many tissue structures are there result of redifferentiation? First of all, you should note it down. What is by differentiation? What is by redifferentiation? What is by dedifferentiation? Okay. Here, they are giving so many things is there. Cambium means what is that? Interfascicular, intrafascicular, primary pith race, secondary pith race, vascular cambium, secondary xylem, secondary phloem, phloem, phallodum, and cork cambium. Okay. How many is the redifferentiation? What is the meaning of redifferentiation? Okay, redifferentiation, what is the division? So, for example, differentiation means what is that? Continuously division occurs. Okay. That type of cell is called as what is differentiation cells. Dedifferentiation. What is the meaning of dedifferentiation? Lost their ability, lost their what is a dividing ability. That is called as dedifferentiation. Redifferentiation, what is the differentiation also? So again, the losses ability also once again what happen now? Undergoes a division process. That cell also undergoes again division process, regain of the division capacity. That is called as redifferentiation. Here they ask the redifferentiation types. Okay. Okay, my dear. So here they told which one is the correct answer is 6 is the correct answer. Okay. What are the things? Okay. What are the things? All redifferentiation undergo the what is that? Different cell division occurs, possible to regain the capacity. Okay. Phallodum, phallodern, cork cambium, it is possible. Medullary rays is also possible. Interfascicular and cambium is also possible. Okay. Total, they told which one? 6 only. Next class, I will give you definitely this question answer clearly. Okay, my dear. 6 is the correct answer. See the next one. See the option. See the option. This is a floral diagram and also match with the floral formula. First of all, you should see the structure. Already I told you, isn't it, my dear? Dicot. Okay, that flower as floral part is mostly present in which one you know? Pentamerous. Pentamerous means 5 and 5-fold. Tetramerous means 4-fold. Okay, my dear. See this one, calyx 5. Okay, and corolla 5, androecium 5, gynoecium is superior, bicarpellate. See the diagram. See the diagram. Calyx 5 is there. Outermost layer is called as calyx. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Okay, this one is correct, isn't it? C5. Listen here. C5 innermost layer. Innermost layer is called as calyx. Okay, the innermost layer. See this one innermost layer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one is also correct. United. Okay, this is also united. The bracket is indicated as a united. And anther is free. See here, anther 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Okay, anther is free. But calyx and anthers are united. See that this is the calyx, the anthers are united. So this one is correct. So gynoecium is bicarpellate. Here the bicarpellate is there. 2 carpels and also united, single syncarpous ovary. So the option is A is correct. Next one is, see that one. Simply, okay, wow. See that K is 2 plus 2. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 only is there. 2 plus 2 only. Here the innermost layer is 2. Outermost layer is 2. Here 1 and 2 is the outermost. Here 3 and 4 is the innermost. So this one is also free in nature. It will not touch anywhere. So this is correct. Calyx also 4 into X. See here the calyx also 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this one is also correct. And sim 2 plus 4 they told. See here 2 is outer walled and center there is a 4 is there. Okay. So this one is also correct. Gynoecium superior ovary, bicarpellate ovary, and also see that superior ovary is there, bicarpellate. 2 division is there. So this one is also correct. Automatically you know very about the answer. Okay. A1, B2, C3. So which one is that? This one. Again, the last one. See that K5 united. See that calyx of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 united. Okay. And then calyx is there 1 plus 2 plus 2. See this one. This is the 1. These two are free. Okay. And the last two are united. See that these two are united. Okay, my dear. So this one is called as 2 united. This one. This part is this one. And it's a 1 plus 9. Already you know what is 1 is free here. The 9 are united. This is called as Fabaceae family. Fabaceae family. Okay. This one is called as Lil. See that? This one is a different, isn't it? Dicot. This one dicot. This one is dicot. All the three are dicot only. Okay. See that gynism is a single ovary is that. Single ovary is that. Center see it. Single. Superior. Okay. So this is the correct one. So the option is which one, you know? A, as it is matching, isn't it? As it is matching. So this is the correct answer, my dear students. So the which one, you know? Third one is the correct answer. 40th questions. Continuity of cytoplasm maintained by, listen carefully. This is a NEET question, my dear student. Previous questions also very, very important, my dear. Definitely, sometimes they ask the question floral formula, floral diagram. Okay, the given diagram is responsible to which one of the following floral diagram, like that they may ask the question. Here the question is the continuity of cytoplasm is maintained by, which one is the ER tubule, endoplasmic reticulous tubules, microfibrils, endoplasmic maintained by a, which one, you know? See this one, this is considered cell, isn't it, my dear? This is considered cell. Center there is a nucleus. Okay. The continuity of the cytoplasm, this cytoplasm, this is called a cytoplasm, this one is called as nucleus, this is cell wall or cell membrane, depends upon their source, plant cell or animal cell. Microfibrils, what is the meaning of microfibril? When it comes, you know a little bit of cell division only. Endoplasmic reticulum started here only. Golgi complex, here the Golgi complex is there. It will not maintain the cytoplasm, the endoplasmic reticulum tubules. What is the meaning of tubules? Endoplasmic reticulum is like this, isn't it? Here there is a tubules. Okay, this part, what is that? Maintain the cytoplasm structures. That is very, very important. That is also critical. CT, critical thinking questions. That's simple but critical. ER tubules only. This one, just to see the structure. See the structures. Here they ask the structure according to their diagrammatic work. Number of chromosome in a cell, all are 4 only. Yes, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of chromatid in the cells, already you know, each chromatid, how much is the 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 8 is there. Yes, 8 is also there. So option 1 and 2. Number of centromere in the cell, 4 chromosome, how many centromere is there? 4 centromere only. So this one is the correct one. Number of kinetochore in the cell. See here one kinetochore, here also. Kinetochore is the nothing but the, what is that? There is a small surrounding. Okay, this is considered arms, isn't it? Arms. This is one is called as, what is that, you know? Centromere. Centromere. Okay. Surrounding of a centromere, there is a part is that this is called as kinetochore. Okay. So consider as how many is there? 8 concepts. See, this one is the correct one. Others are wrong. Okay. See there, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. So first one is chromosome number is 4. Okay. Next, number of chromatid in the cell, chromatid. See that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't it? Like that. 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this one. Chromatid mean which one, you know? This one. 1, 2. Like that. Isn't it? 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is correct. Number of centromere. Each one it considers a centromere. Center. There is a centromere. How many centromere is there? 4 centromere is there. And number of kinetochore. Each one it is connected with the another one. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So each one side there is a 2 is there. So total 8. So the answer is last one is the correct. The other 3 are wrong. Okay, media. This is very, very 4848. The value of osmotic potential and pressure potential of a cell A, B, C, and D are given below. Just whenever it may be, and wherever, whenever they ask the question like this, just you should note it down. Water potential always 0. Already know pure water potential. Pure water potential is what is that? 0. Water potential 0. Always. Okay, 0 only. When it contaminated addition of salt, that time what happened? The value will be plus or plus only, not minus. Likewise, they asked and also the pressure potential also same. But here they have given A and B and C and D. Identify the correct sequence of the movement of the water, they asked. Maximum always the water is moved from the, what is that? Higher potential into lower potential or lower potential to higher potential. Always move the lower potential to higher potential. Which one is the lowest molecules of this one? 0.8, 1.2, 0.6, 1.0. Which one is the correct answer, my dear? Which one is the correct answer? 0.6 is the first one, isn't it? 0.6, what is that? Osmotic potential mean pressure potential, it is off 0.3. So this one is the first one. Second one is addition, ascending order. Okay, ascending order. 0.6, then 0.8. So first one is C, second one is A. Where is it? First one is C, second one is A. So 0.8, 0.4. See the 0.8, the off is 0.4. Then 1.0, 0.5, 1.0 and 0.5. The last one is called as 1.2, called as 0.6. So this is the option for the, what is that? Osmotic potential and the pressure potentials. The correct option is, third one is the correct one. Here the question is, which one you know? The pure water potential is how it will be there. 0. Note it down, my dear son. Kinetic energy is very high. Pure water. Okay, my dear. So don't forget, this is a very, very important question. Ascending order. 0.6, 0.8, 1.0 and 1.2. It is off of the, what is the pressure potential. It can be indicated in the form of psi, Pascal. Okay, the symbol is like this. W, water potential. S, solid potential. B, pressure potential. O, osmotic potential, like that. Okay, my dear. You add it all those things, you will get the water potential. Go to the next one. The C4 plant, C3 plant. So the saturation of carbon fixation respectively at about. See the option, you will get the answer. It's a direct question, my dear students. Already you studied this point also during photosynthesis. Okay, plant physiology, particularly photosynthesis. C3 plant, C3 plant, C4 plant. C4 plant example, sugar cane. Okay, and also another one is called as maize. These are all a C4 plant. Why it is called a C4 plant? The C4 cycle is occurs in this plant. The first product is oxaloacetate. It contains 4 carbon atom. That's why it is called a C4 cycle. C3 cycle is nothing but what is that? Calvin cycle. Calvin cycle. Otherwise called as dark reaction. Dark reaction. Melvin Calvin cycle. Melvin Calvin cycle. C3 cycle. Normally it occurs all the plants. Okay. Here they are asking which carbon saturation of carbon fixation respectively it about 100 microliter and 200 microliter of carbon dioxide concentration. No. Which one is the highest rate? 1650, 200. No. 300 to 800. No. So the last one, 360. It is also a direct question idea. Already given in your book. 360 microliter and 450 microliter of the carbon dioxide concentration is the correct option. Which one? No, C3 supply. NEET question, my dear. This time we may expect in this part. 2023. What is the next one? See the last one. Fourth one is the correct option. Next one is during complete oxidation of fat. This is very, very important, my dear student. Note it down, my dear. See, this is also very, very important NEET question. Fat carbohydrate, protein. They ask the common intermediate. Listen here, my dear. Fat. When fat undergo the degradation process, it produces fatty acid and plus glycerol. The fat is again converted into which one? No? Acetyl CoA. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, okay, otherwise called as glucose. Glucose molecules enter in the glycolysis process as a result of formation of 2-pyruvate. Okay, the 2-pyruvate addition with the acetyl CoA formation of citric acid cycle, otherwise called as TCA cycle. These two united together form a TCA cycle, citric acid Krebs cycle. Last one is called as protein. Protein also undergo, which one you know? Here, which one you know? Peptides. Okay. And also it enter into the, which one you know? Formation of pyruvic acid. So again, the same. Like, so the final common one is called as acetyl CoA. The answer is the last one. Others it will not go. Don't forget, my dear. These three comes under the headings known as glycolysis. Glycolysis pathway, you know, pyruvate is the end product, dihydroxyacetylene phosphate, middle one, fructose 1,6-phosphate, diphosphate is the hexose phosphate sections. Okay, so these three comes under the glycolysis. Acetyl CoA is the, which one you know? Common intermediate. Okay, during complete oxidation, this is considered complete. These are the biomolecules, fat, carbohydrate, protein molecules. How it will be there? How it will be divided? Finally, we'll get acetyl CoA, COS, COA, COS CoA. Okay, my dear. CH3, COS, COA, like that it will come. See that acetyl CoA, how it will be coming? Acetyl CoA is also formation takes place by the beta oxidation of the fat. Where it occurs? Liver, mitochondria. The beta oxidation, simply they call us beta oxidation like that. Okay, about expansion aspect. Actually, we have to write like this, beta oxidation. That time what happened now? Produce acetyl CoA. Okay, Mary, don't forget. Consider the following 4 statements, A to D, and select the option which include all the correct ones only. Correct only. Anemophilous flowers are either attractive or with fragrance. Anemophilic means, what is the meaning of anemophilic? It's the pollination takes place by air or wind, isn't it, my dear? Anemophilic. Is it correct? Is it correct? Anemophilous flowers are either attractive or with, what is that? Fragrance. Fragrance we may accept, but attractive it is not that. Okay, so the option is wrong. Okay. Wind pollination is quite common in grasses. Already you know wind pollination. Wind pollination means, just to take an example, any one of the grasses. Okay, the wind is flowing this way. Okay, what happened now? Transfer to the other plants, here to here, somewhere else. At 10 meters or 12 meters, 100 meters, whatever it may be. So this is the correct absence. Wind pollination, quite common in grasses because it is a very less in nature, very weightless. Weightless, what is that? Anthus, pollen grains produced by the grasses. So this one is the correct one. Third one. Endomophilics. What is the meaning of endomophilics? Only by insects. Flowers possess special fragrance. Then only what happened? Insects are attractive. And also attractive colors also. You know very about. This is the correct option. Okay. Water hyacinth and water lily pollinated by water. This is critical question, critical statement. You know very about the water hyacinth and water lily also present in the water molecule. So the pollination is also water like that they may insert. So you answer, you give your answer, you will give the answer A, B, C like that. Or A, B and C, D, these three. No, it is not like that. So the answer is which one you know? The statement 4th one is the correct option. B and C only the correct answer. Okay, these things. Addition to this, so many things is also there. Wind pollination. Okay, zoophilic in nature. Zoophilic means the pollination takes place by only animals. Okay, Chiroptera felix. Myrmico felix. Myrmico means only by the ant. Chiroptera felix. Okay, Chiroptera felix means bat. Okay, bat. Chiroptera. Chiiro. Chiroptera. Another one is called Malacophilic. Malacophilic is nothing but the snail. Don't forget, my dear. Snails. This is very, very important. This part is very, very important. This question we may expect in the part. NEET. Okay, my dear. This is also a very, very important. What is the next one? Correct the statement is which one? Incorrect statement. These are the two things. A and D. Okay. These two are C, B and C is the correct one, and the remaining things are the wrong one. The next one is what is that? Which community remains stable as long as the environment remain unchanged? That is called as climax community. They are direct question, my dear. This is also a very, very important and also direct question. This is direct question. These two it will not come. 1 and 2 they give. It is for the confusion process. So climax community is the correct one. Go to the next one. See that match the column. Column mutualism, commensalism, photo cooperation, parasitism. See here, what is the meaning of mutualism? Mutualism means what does that mean? Both are beneficial, isn't it, my dear? Both are beneficial. Here the plus is plus. Commensalism, plus and 0. Photo cooperation, no. Parasitism, plus and minus. Okay. Here they have given which one is the correct option, See here. The mutualism example they have given. Okay. See, the mutualism is called as fig trees and also wasp species. Both are beneficial. Fig means you know what about fig tree. This is called as fig fruits. The fruit is like this. Inside there is a male flower. Okay. And also female flower is also there. Here the worms is there. Worms. These worms move here and there only. That time what happens? The pollination takes place. So both are beneficial. And also food also provided by the, what is that? Tree. At the same time, the pollination done by which one? The worms. So the both are beneficial. So where is that? Commensalism. What is that? Commensalism. Okay, my dear. So commensalism means what is that? Epiphyte. They gave an answer is epiphyte. And photo cooperation. Photo cooperation means what is that? Crocodile and bird. Crocodile and bird. Parasitism, lack and insects of the plant. Insect of the plant. Plant getting harmful. Lacks getting energy. So plus and minus. So which one is the correct option? Just to imagine. So second is the correct option, my dear student. This is the correct option. Correct matching. NEET question, my dear. 2023. They may ask the question. See that this is the correct option. Lack insects and plant, crocodile and bats, epiphyte, and also tree. Go to the next one. For the given graph, identify X, Y, and Z. Okay. This one is what? This one is what? And this one is what? They ask the question. Log scale. Okay, my dear. See, the X is area. X is area. No, X is not a area. X is a species richness. X is a species richness. This one is called as what is the species richness. The answer is these two only. Y is already you know about area. This one is called as the area. Species richness. Automatically you know about the answer. Which one is slope curve? The option is 48. The fourth is the answer. Slope curve. Okay, this one, slope. What is the next one? This is also a direct question, my dear students. Next one is, assume that there are 6 types of nitrogen base are available in 40 types of amino acids. Okay. Amino acids. Okay. For the protein biosynthesis genetic code, each codon made up of minimum how many nitrogen bases? Simply, here 6 types of nitrogen bases. How many type of amino acids present in it? Total 20 is there. 20 amino acids. Okay. Encoded, how many? Code. genetic code. 64 genetic code is there, isn't it? Just 64 genetic code. What is the option? Is the triplet codon, triplet, each one, AUG. Okay. Here they asked 40 types of amino acids. Here the 20 means here the 40 types of amino acids. Okay. 6 type of nitrogen bases. Here also AUG, UUG. Imagine any three. So 20 means what is that? 3. 40 means 3. Okay. How many amino acids? Whatever it may be. 64 amino acids also encoded by 3 only means. So 40 amino acids, what happened? 40 amino acids also. 40 types of amino acids also. What is that? 3 codon only. So the option is which one? A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. The last question, my dear students. Last questions, my dear. In mung bean, resistant to yellow mosaic virus and powdery mild were infected by. See this one. Which one is the correct answer? Hybridization? No. Hybridization, you will not get the yellow mosaic virus resistant gene. Conventional breeding? No. Selection is not. Mutation breeding is the correct option, my dear. Mutation breeding is the correct answer. This is the correct one. So others are wrong only. So that's all about my dear today's session, my dear students. We will see the remaining things on the next class, my dear. Thank you so much. We practice only 10 days only you are having. Okay, practice per day, 2 questions, 2 full set of test, full test. You practice it. Physics and chemistry also you have to concentrate. Physics and chemistry. Okay, and you must attend 90 question out of 85. Suppose if you attend this much question means you will get, what is that? MP, BSc. Definitely you will get it. Here you must attend it 30 questions, at least 30 questions I am telling. 30 into 30, 60 plus 80, 5. What is that? 5, 1, 4. 145 into 4, you can calculate it how much. Definitely will get the MPPS seats. That's all about my dear student. Thank you so much for the participation. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, thank you.